Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix error code 2 in Fortnite. First, always try restarting the game and your computer. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches and minor connectivity issues. Ensure your internet connection is stable before reopening the game, as an unstable connection frequently triggers this specific error. A quick restart gives your system a fresh start, clearing minor conflicts that might be causing persistent trouble, which is a great first approach. Network issues often cause error code 2, so let's check your connection. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then reconnect it and let it fully restart. Confirm your internet connection is stable and performs well, using an online speed test if needed. Sometimes, changing your DNS servers to public ones, like Google's 8.8.8.8, can resolve these connectivity problems effectively. This helps ensure your computer can properly communicate with the game servers without interruption. Corrupted or missing game files frequently cause unexpected errors, including error code 2. Open your Epic Games launcher, navigate to your library, and find Fortnite. Click on the 3 dots next to the game title, then select Verify from the options provided. This process will check all your game files, automatically repairing or redownloading any that are damaged or missing. It is a straightforward step that often resolves many game-specific issues quickly. Outdated graphics drivers or an old operating system can often lead to game errors like code 2. Ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated by visiting your card manufacturer's website or using their official software. Likewise, check for any pending updates to your computer's operating system in your system settings. Keeping these components current ensures your system runs optimally and maintains compatibility with the latest game versions, helping prevent such issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.